8 hours you're supposed to change, but honestly for me there is still no leakage, no stain, no discomfort, nothing at all. It still doesn't feel wet or damp or any icky dirty feeling, nothing at all. It's actually been very comfortable. I think I could still wear it for a while more, but I'll not do that. I'll go and change now. And talking about the reusable part of it, like I mentioned in the beginning, you need to wash this thing because it's reusable. So yes, I'm gonna go and wash this product now. I'm honestly not sure how that would go. This is not something which I'm really looking forward to because I've never really done anything like this. But honestly, guys, we girls have to take one for the environment because sanitary pads, tampons are so bad for the environment. Plus, it's actually very, very comfortable, right? And if you can reuse it, that would make it like really cost effective too. So, anyways, more on that later. I'll just quickly go wash it off, finish this part off, which I'm a little nervous about right now, and give you my last and final update as to how that experience goes for me. Okay guys, so first things first, washing that wasn't entirely fun, but it was not that difficult also. Like I was really nervous about what all I'll see and how it will be. It wasn't that bad. So this is what I did. I just put the panty under a tap of running water. Cold water, don't use hot water because that's not good for the panty. Put it under a tap of cold water for about 1 to 2 minutes, and by that time it was pretty much all clean on its own, like that only. Okay, so that was like really good. And then just with a little bit of detergent, a little bit of scrubbing, I also use Dettol because it's more hygienic for next time wear. So yes, that was the cleaning process, and it wasn't as scary as I thought it would be. It was okay, like because with the water all of it is pretty much already cleaned up on its own.